Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you what kind of fidgets I have. So I'm going to be showing you my loud ones first. So I'll see you when I get all of mine on the carpet in 3, 2, 1. And here they are. So the first one is a simple dimple. One side isn't really good as usual, but this side is pretty loud. And next is my favorite puppet I ever got. It's this one. Pretty loud on both sides. This is the quiet side. Oh, by the way, today was my last day of school. That's my puppet. This is my snapper. It's really pretty. And the last one is my regular simple, like a regular dimple. This is the louder side. And that's all my loud fidgets, and I'll show you my quietest ones. Oh, to be real quick, I forgot the last loud fidget. It's called a pop tube. It's a homemade one though, to be honest. Look. So yeah. And now all my quiet fidgets. I have a homemade squishy, a marble mesh. I've took the marble out before and put it back in school. A pea popper. Oh my gosh, no. This side only has the face. It's right there. And an acupressure ring. Wacky track. And a water snake. And now, let me show you my fidget boards. I have a big one and a mini one too on the go. So let's start off with the big one. I have this thing you just press down. And this thing that's like squishy. Maybe one day when I have the supplies, I will do a tutorial how to do this. This stress ball that turns blue. There's blue slime in it. A silver. I'm going to open it as soon as I tap it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's my silver slime. It's really nice. And then I just have this thing to like just wrap around my fingers like this. And I have this scratcher. And for this one, I have this like Ziploc bag that I can like open it and like squish down. And I just have this mini squishy in this area thing that I can just like pick that, and another orange slime 3, and another orange slime 3, 2, 1. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out of this container. It's really nice. I just really love playing with it. Let me put this back in and I'll see you guys when that's done. To be honest, I have a lot more fidgets, but here they all are. Beautiful fidgets. That one's my favorite, the puppet. So, bye guys, I hope you had a good day. Bye. My puppet wants to say bye. Bye guys.